There are a lot of indicators that are created in the history, and so far I can say my market turning points indicator, this is one of the best indicator. I'm talking about the market turning points indicator that you can see in the form of levels. It provides you the key levels in real time. And this indicator is unbeatable because actually this indicator is working for my community. Those who have the lifetime version of the market turning points indicator, and especially when they are using the 15-minute time frame or the 5-minute time frame or the higher time frames like 30-minute, 1 hour, they are very profitable. So for example, look at this one. This was the selling opportunity and the price is done, and now you can see if the second candle get fixed, this buy opportunity will get fixed here, and in real time it is telling you that basically the price wants to go into the upward direction. So that's the beauty of the market earning points indicator, because it guides the traders in real time. So for example, just look at this one. There is a liquidity hunt over there, and after the liquidity hunt, then what happened, the price has made a buy opportunity on the market earning points indicator, and then you can see a clear pull back into the opposite direction. Okay, so this is one of the perfect indicator that guides you in real time. Like you can see real time buy opportunity is coming, but on the second candle it get fixed. Okay, and also it has some static levels as well. Now, this indicator is very powerful. It can be used in Forex, crypto, and the stock. And this indicator is also listed on my website, fxmentorus.com. The link is given in the description of this video. And you can find all details about this indicator. And the other indicator is the scalp edge and the bank indicator that are also listed on the website. So please find the all details in the website. And if you are looking to buy the lifetime version of these powerful indicators, you can contact through Telegram or email. Okay, now I just want to show you one thing, that just look at this picture, that if we compare it with the scalp edge, then it gives very good results. You can see the crash, the price is down, boom, it's up. But if we use it with the confirmation from the market turning points, that becomes very good, like boom, and then the second confirmation from the market turning points that price wants to go up, and you can see the price is up. Okay, similarly, you can see gold is this is the boom signal on gold 1 minute, and you can see the price is simply making the upward side. Okay, now you have just seen that the sell opportunity is broken. Why? Because previously the market has already respected the sell opportunity and the price went down. So right now it's blinking. So when the price will give a close above that level, then it will completely disappear. So this is how we can use this powerful indicator, and that works very fine. You can see you got a boom signal. Okay, the buy opportunity, you can go for that trade. So if you use scalp edge with a proper confirmation, look at this, the crash, and then let's say if you waited for the market to see that is the crash is really going to be crash or not, and if you want a double confirmation, the market turning points indicator is going to help you in that case. And after the sell opportunity, you can see the price is down. Okay, so these are the two powerful indicators that you can use for your trading, and you can use the second confirmation from the market turning points, and they are the best trading setups. And if you want to book the lifetime version of these indicators, you can check the Telegram link in the description of this video. You can contact and book the lifetime version of these powerful indicators. Thank you very much.